Happy Friday. Review day. Challenge questions. You only have 2 today. We're wrapping up another week, and I mean, we're less than a month away from the end of school. Whether or not we are in school, we're almost at that point where it's summer vacation and you are through with your elementary career. So good for you. All right. I hope you guys worked on these. Yeah, I accidentally gave you the answers to the Mondays. Tuesday. So you guys have rocked volume out of the park. Do you get it? I hope you do. Usually students struggle at this point of the year with learning volume, but I think that we've done a decent job covering it. And you guys probably all vary with how well you understand it. So today is a review of everything that you learned today, or this week rather. So let's see how you're going to do. Here's the questions that I came up with that are just like the questions that you are going to have to complete. First, going back to Monday, finding the volume of a figure with cubes. Tuesday, finding the volume of a figure that just shows you measurement. Wednesday, you guys had those word problems. I'm just asking you about an ice cube, and then going over which this is an example of. So, what's the volume of this object? Well, you want to find the base or the top layer. In all reality, we could find this side layer and then multiply it by how high up and down it goes, pretending you're flipping it on the ground. It's still the same figure, but in all reality, they usually, like teachers usually teach, find the base. The base is like what's laying down on, okay? And it's going to be equal to the top. They're twins, right? The top we could see very easily. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many rows of 4? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. That tells me that the base has 20. Now, is it only one layer? No. There's 1, 2, 3 layers of 20. So if there's 3 layers of 20, then that answer is going to be 20 times 3, or the base times the height, as they say. And 20 times 3 is 60. And it's 60 cubes, or cubic units, which also is like this, units with a little tiny 3. Let's come over here to this one. What is the volume of this object? Well, this object is, even though it doesn't look like it, a perfect cube because it's the same measurement on the length, width, and the height. So finding one of the faces, or the base specifically, it's 5 by 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. Then you're going to take 25, because that's just what the base is, and you're going to multiply it by how high up and down, or how many layers there is of 25, which there's 5. So 5 times 25, 4 times 25 is 100. So 5 times 100, or 5 times 25 is 125. And we're going to call that centimeters cubed, or cubic centimeters. Just like those are cubic units. All that means is 1 is a cube. That's all it means. Now, speaking of cubes, let's go down to this ice cube. We have an ice cube shaped like a cube. Okay? Its edge lengths, its edge's length, are each edge is 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this is 4, that's 4. You get it. What's the volume? Well, the base would be 4. 4 times 4 would be the base, which is 16. And then if the base is 16, 4 by 4, you're going to multiply 16 by 4. Oops. Times 4, and that's 64. and it's centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed. Next question. The distance from Michigan to Florida is what? Area, volume, or length? Well, distance is just one measurement, so it's length. Because area is measurement by a measurement, right? It makes a square. In volume's a measurement, making it three-dimensional. It's this. Why should I never call? Oh, let me answer this real quick. Make sure to check your answer.